The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, a 15-minute summary of the world's most inspiring novel. What if the treasure you've been searching for your entire life was waiting for you, not at the end of journey, but within yourself? This is the central idea of The Alchemist, one of the most beloved novels ever written, published in 1988 by Brazilian author Paulo Coelho. The book has inspired millions of readers around the world with its simple yet powerful message: follow your dreams, trust the journey, and listen to your heart. Today, we'll explore the story of Santiago, a young shepherd whose quest for treasure becomes a journey of self-discovery. The story begins in Spain, where a young shepherd named Santiago lives a peaceful life traveling with his sheep. He enjoys the freedom of the open road and dreams of exploring the world. One night, Santiago has a recurring dream. In the dream, a child tells him that a great treasure is hidden near the Egyptian pyramids. Confused but intrigued, Santiago seeks guidance from a mysterious old woman who interprets dreams. She tells him that the treasure is real and that he should go to Egypt to find it. Soon after, Santiago meets a strange old man named Melchizedek, who claims to be the king of Salem. The king introduces Santiago to the concept of personal legend, the unique destiny each person is meant to fulfill. He tells Santiago that most people abandon their dreams because of fear, comfort, and doubt, but those who pursue their personal legend find true happiness. Inspired, Santiago sells his ship and begins his journey. Santiago arrives in Tangier, Morocco, excited to begin his adventure, but almost immediately disaster strikes. A thief steals all of his money. Alone in a foreign country, unable to speak the language, Santiago feels defeated. He considers giving up and returning home. However, he remembers the king's words and decides to continue. This becomes the first major lesson of the story. Every dream comes with obstacles, and perseverance is the price of success. To earn money, Santiago takes a job working for a crystal merchant. The merchant has spent years running his shop, but he's never pursued his own dreams. He once dreamed of traveling to Mecca but became too comfortable and fearful to change his life. Santiago brings new idea to the business, attracting more customers and increasing profits. After nearly a year, he earns enough money to return home and buy an even larger flock of sheep. At this moment, Santiago faces a choice. Should he return to the safety of his old life or continue toward the unknown? He chose to continue. Santiago joins a caravan traveling across the Sahara Desert toward Egypt. During the journey, he meets an Englishman who is studying alchemy. The Englishman believes that all knowledge can be found in books and is searching for a legendary alchemist who lives in an oasis. The Englishman teaches Santiago about alchemy, the ancient practice of transforming ordinary metals into gold. More importantly, Santiago learns that everything in the universe is connected and speaks a universal language. As the caravan crosses the desert, Santiago begins paying attention to signs, omens, and the world around him. He discovers that wisdom can be found not only in books, but also in life itself. The caravan eventually reaches an oasis. There Santiago meets a beautiful young woman named Fatima. The moment he sees her, he falls deeply in love. For the first time, Santiago wonders whether he should abandon his quest and stay with her forever. Fatima, however, understands the importance of destiny. She tells him that true love never prevents someone from pursuing their dreams. Instead, real life supports and strengthens that journey. This becomes one of the most memorable messages in the novel. Love should help us become who we are meant to be, not hold us back. At the oasis, Santiago finally meets the mysterious alchemist. The alchemist recognizes that Santiago has learned to listen to his heart and understand the language of the world. He agrees to guide the young shepherd toward the pyramids. As they travel together, Alchemist teaches Santiago several important lessons. Fear is often more painful than the suffering we fear. The heart knows the way to our destiny. Every person has the ability to achieve extraordinary things if they trust themselves. One of the alchemist's most powerful teaching is that the people fail not because dreams are impossible, but because they are stopped believing in them. One of the most dramatic moments occurs when Santiago and the alchemist are captured by warriors. To save their lives, Santiago claims that he can transform himself into the wind. The warriors laugh but give him 3 days to prove it. At first, Santiago is terrified, but through meditation and communication with nature, he realizes that all things are connected: the desert, wind, sun, and the human soul. Eventually, a powerful windstorm sweeps through the camp. The warriors are amazed, and Santiago gains a deeper understanding of his connection to the universe. This symbolizes the idea that human potential is far greater than we often believe. At last, Santiago reaches the Egyptian pyramids. Overwhelmed with emotion, he begins digging for the treasure. But before he can find anything, thieves attack him and steal what little he has. As they beat him, Santiago tells them about his dream. One of the laughs and reveals that he once had a dream about a treasure hidden in beneath a sycamore tree in the ruin of an old church in Spain, but he was not foolish enough to follow it. Suddenly, Santiago realizes something incredible. The church described by the thief is the very place where his journey began. The treasure has been there all long time. Santiago returns to Spain and digs beneath the tree. There he finally discovers a chest filled with gold, jewels, and priceless treasure. But by now, he understands that the true treasure was never the gold. The real treasure was the wisdom, courage, growth, and self-discovery he gained during his journey. He decides to return to Fatima, carrying not only wealth, but a deeper understanding of himself and life. The Alchemist reminds us that every person has a personal legend, a dream, or purpose that gives meaning to life. The novel teaches that fear, comfort, and doubt often stand between us and our goals. Yet those who have the courage to follow their dreams discover treasure far greater than material success. Perhaps the greatest lesson of all this, the journey toward the dream changes us into a person who we are meant to become. And sometimes the treasure we seek is waiting where we least expect it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite lesson from The Alchemist in the comment below.